based on a complaint of a disabled person, the Goa Human Rights Commission has given instructions to the Director of Social Welfare to be summoned and to appear at the next hearing, which is on 14th September, because he did not appear today on the matter. The second thing, that also on the human rights matter, we would like to say that our association has become a party to it, and we have given a list of another 20 buildings in Panjim itself which are not accessible for persons with disability. The commission has taken cognizance of our matter as well as the disabled person, and has appointed the DYSP attached to the commission to inspect the list of 20 buildings that we have given and submit the report before the next hearing, which is on 14 September. As per his statement in the assembly, he said he will give the children 1 lakh for a gold medal, 75 for silver and 50 for bronze. But as per government scheme of the Sports Authority of Goa, there is a scheme which is giving 5 lakhs for gold medal, 3 lakhs for silver and 2 lakhs for bronze. This we feel is very wrong on the part of the government to give a reduced amount to the special children. We are also demanding that the entire amount be given. This statement was made in response to the demand to notify the special scheme of the education department, which is pending for the last 3 years. We would like to mention that this framing of policy is only a time delaying tactic of the government, which is not acceptable to us. He can come out with the policy, but we want that this education department scheme should be passed at the earliest. 2008, Supreme Court had given an order that the reservations for disabled in education and employment is over and above the reservations for the other categories of scheduled castes, scheduled tribes and OBCs. But sadly, even after 7 years have passed, this Supreme Court order is not yet implemented by the state government, and we are seeing even bodies like the GPSC not following this Supreme Court order.